Hello, we are here in China at the Cimtech CNC factory. I'm here with Jed. Hello, Jed. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, this is Jack.
This is Jed, the owner of the company. We're going to be showing you today a little bit how the machines are built and all the quality that goes and all the processes that go into making a very stable machine. So, Jed, tell us a little bit how was last year for the company.
Last year, our factory is very busy. We are making the CNC router first all over the world. The main market is from Europe markets, American markets, and South American markets. We offer the machine to all over the world. And this year with this year 2025 is very busy. We have more than 200 ATC machines under production now.
All right, it's good to hear. So now we're going to go through the factory, like I said before. Looks like 2025 is going to be a really good year, very busy for them. So we're going to go and show you everything from the electronics department, how they assemble all the controllers, down to how the frames come and how they assemble the frames, and they get to the final product. And so you can see how everything is made and a really good standard. Electronics and electric department, this is where the cabinets are brought already painted, and all the cable tracks and all the components are installed. Different systems obviously have different cabinets with different type of components. Everything is wire. And from here, the boxes get out here with all the long wires ready to be connected to the rest of the machine and calibrated and tested to be sure they're working in perfect conditions. So this is a view of the electronics department. Here at the frame department, where we get the frames from the manufacturer, pre-welded and painted and finished, they're all machined to be sure that where the rails are going to be installed are perfectly aligned. We also get the components made out of aluminum, like this tool changer holder, very thick, very strong aluminum, as well as the Z axis, as you can see, is made out of a big chunk of aluminum, all machined to get a perfect tolerances. I'm sure that everything is out the way it's supposed to be. After we get the parts, all the components, the rails are installed and they are aligned to perfection. Be sure they are up to thousandths of an inch on precision. When all the components are assembled, they are mounted onto the table. These rails are also aligned. And all, like you can see, all the parts of the machine are machined to be sure that it's perfectly flat and aligned. So after this process, the electronic components are going to become in the cabinets. All the motors are going to be installed into the machines and the sensors, and then they're going to be connected to the electrical boxes. And from there, they're going to be moved to the installation of the table, the alignment and the installation of the table. Okay, next step for the assembly of the machine will be to install the backing table. For this, the first step is to align the frame of the machine, because it's never perfect after the manufacturing. So the way we do this is we install PVCs on top of the frame, glued to the frame, and then we use the machine, which has been already aligned, to align the face of these PVC parts. After those frames are aligned, the next step is to install the PVC table on top, very thick material. This is going to be installed and screwed onto the frame. And then once again, we're going to use the router to face the PVC to align it. And then after that, it's going to be used to cut all the grooves, indentations, and holes to connect all the backing hoses and to make the different backing areas. So we made it to the end part of the process. This is the process of the quality control. After the machine is fully assembled, the machine is going to be running for a few days, checking that everything works precisely, that there's no errors before it gets broken down for shipping again. So now we'd like to say thank you to Jed for inviting us to the factory to see all the process. Thank you, Jed.
Thank you, David, with Cimtech factory.
Okay.
Hope to see you again.
Okay, thank you very much, Jed. So that's it. That's the end of the process. Well, thank you for staying with us and going through the video, and we'll see you next time.